Okay, hey there, my MaddScrappers. I'm out because it's the other Saturday, as in the every other Fridays is the other Saturday. But I'm here at Dollar Tree, adventuring, because we came to go see if we could still find some of those little lights that you guys saw me get that we should have come back and bought more when we saw them. Right? What were we thinking? But Peanut Gallery wanted to see if we can get some more, and we can get eyeballs, which doesn't excite me in the very least. But I'm coming to show you guys what else. We have a, what does that say, sweetheart? I can't read it.
Ring for coffee.
Okay, I need that. That's it. I need that bell. Ring for coffee. It's like, oh, good Lord. But I'm going to show you guys anyway. Mine, this is my one of the 3 Dollar Trees I'm within 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops of. This one is in Laverne. No, I don't want to meet. There we go. Zoom out a bit. They must have just gotten all this stuff in. They are stocked to the gills. So you guys might want to start thinking about looking at your Dollar Trees for decor pieces, because like, wow, look, these are Jingle Bear door things, and I love these for doors. So we're going to get another one. I'm not sure. Oh, they have a gold one. See, I'm sorry, I'm looking at one thing and pointing away at the other. That's 2, but oh yeah, I think the gold one is all gold. But that's okay, and ooh, I like it. I hope they all sound as... Yep, there we go. Mine. Mine, all mine. So yeah, there's just, look at this. The decor, it's just all the stuff they have. There they have one little gnome thing, but I bought all the gnome things. I was here a couple weeks ago. I think I showed you that video. If there was a gnome on it, I picked it up. And I really like, this is really cool. But this is what has caught my eye. So I believe that, oh look, and another one that says peace. I don't really care about the bow, because I can always redo the bow. What do they all say? Peace. I like to believe. I like that look. I'll be gnome for Christmas. And we have snowflakes. I always get these guys, because you know what I use them for? I put them on my table as placemats at the place sittings on my table. So we're gonna get, I'm gonna get 6 of them. I'm gonna get white ones. 2, 4, and 6. See, this is why I cannot come to Dollar Tree, because then you start getting carried away because everything's $1. Sorry, made my fingers. But they have a ton of ornaments. And these are nice looking ornaments. I'm sure, I mean, they're not going to be glass. They're going to be plastic, although, I don't know, that one's kind of suspicious. But still, really, guys, as they say, the early bird gets the worm. The early bird is going to get the gnome. Look, isn't he cute? I don't think except I'm pointing away from him, I'm sorry. I gotta watch where one hand is not paying attention to the other. So let's see. That one's a little dinkled. He's better even because oh, there's more right there. Hello. So yes, we are grabbing a gnome. So I'm not gonna go. Normally, I'm the kind of nut job. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. But I picked one up the last time I was here. Him I remember. The jingly gnome. So yeah, I can't come here. The store is just like, whoops. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. It's like, oh my gosh. But look at this. Mary and then peace. Oh my goodness. So these are also, I like that. So yeah, I think I might have to snag that. And we'll figure out later where we hang it or on the tree. We were just talking, Peanut Gallery and I, about what we were going to get tree-wise. Where we always buy a real tree. But we have been talking about, I know, horror of horrors, a not real tree. Look at these. These are ready-made, almost look like handmade cards, but look how cute that is. Shh, I'm going to buy it. We're going to give it to the Peanut Gallery. Shh, I'm going to tell that it's not mine. Oh, good Lord. Do we need Tupperware, dear?
These are the things that disappeared.
I know. See, and this is why we cannot come to the Dollar Tree. This is a dangerous place. We always roll out of here spending like $30, $40. Okay, you got it. But look at the cups. Lots and lots of drink cups. And look at these. These are pretty placemats. These are nice little strong ones. Not for me, but they are cool. And of course, I didn't because I didn't want to look at it a ton. of candy. If you have not gotten your Halloween candy, I am not buying Halloween candy this year, not because I'm a terrible person, but because we're not going to be home for Halloween. And look at your bags. We are going to be in Oceanside. In fact, we were just talking about at my mother-in-law's timeshare. I go, we need to see what's going on down there, Halloweeny. I know that the day we arrive on Thursday, there's a fabulous farmer's market. So we're going to go to the farmer's market, eat there, and shop. But look, here's all kinds of crafty stuff. And my poor daughter's getting ignored. So she's calling me right now, and she gonna wait. She's probably getting off of work. My middle daughter works as a mail carrier, a rural mail carrier up in Auburn, Northern California. I mean, look at this. They're all crafty things. So I really have to give these a really good look to see, because I'm always stocking up on crafty things to make with my grandkids. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. These are too, and these are felt finger puppet kit. Yep, I'm gonna toss one of those in for the grandbabies. I gotta figure out. Oh, this is, look at that. Oh, I love that. So I'm gonna grab a couple of those. The deer, I'm not sold on the deer. You guys might think I'm crazy. I am not feeling that deer. It's I'm the one that's buying them. They will never know. So, oh, look. There we go. Look what it is. Look. Shaker bits. We're going to grab several packages. See what I mean about not being able to come to the store? I told you. But I stock up. And these, I know I bought some the last time I was here. They're vase filler, but no. They're shaker bits. But I can't remember which ones I got. It's kind of like yesterday when I was at the at Hobby Lobby. So I'm like, okay, I'm just grabbing those because they're $1. Even if I bought repeats, it doesn't matter. It's only $1. And look, ornaments. I need to get some of those, but I got to figure out what I'm going to do. And these are, oh my goodness, these are like little, okay, these are the little LED lights. But what are these? Okay, hang on. All right, let me switch hands, guys. We have to see, because I'm like a kid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you think I'm not going to grab these? At $1? Yes. Okay. We are grabbing. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're just going to grab the whole thingy and figure it out in a minute. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I have picked up, I tossed them in there, and Peanut Gallery was hilarious while I was off camera pawing through everything. He shows up, it is Halloween after all, and threw something in the basket. I have no idea what it was. And I told him, do I want to know? And he said, no. So, yeah, I have to give it to him. The man is honest. But let's see. I mean, there's fabric. This was like definitely the day to come. Oh, look! There's more of the oops. Here we go. I'm like, again, remember Bull China Hot Cloud? Oh my God. These are the ones like, oh, I didn't have the ones there. Yes, they do. They're over here. So I'm going to grab a couple of those. We'll grab 3. And then send a picture of them to my sister and then figure out how many I have to come back for. No. Look. Did you guys see this? They're gnomes. Yeah, we're about to walk back there and pick up more. Oh my gosh, I will figure out, I'm sorry, what to do with them. But we are turning back. Oh wait, look how pretty this is. I haven't even hit the craft section. I'm already finding stuff. Oh, that one's missing one, but that's okay. We're gonna grab it and see what we find in the crafty things. But no. We are coming back for gnomes. I already got this guy, the gnomey guy. I already have the gnomey from one of the last visits. The Peanut Gallery helped me find it. Okay, so off we go. And we're going to go look for some other trouble. Hang on a minute so I don't have to drive and do this at the same time. All right, peeps, let's see how much trouble I can get into here. You know, it's a sad state of affairs when I swear the Dollar Tree craft section has more craft stuff than Tuesday morning did. So there is a ton of stuff. They have pearls. I mean, beads. Look at these stars. They're metallic beads. Jip. In they go. We are not getting away cheap here tonight. I see it. I see the writing on the walls. And here, look at resealable bags. But I just bought a bunch yesterday at Hobby Lobby. So there you go. But look at this. There's a ton of crafting stuff, especially if you have kids or you're a teacher or whatnot. Yeah, come here and stock up. I do it all the time. Look, craft apron. And here, look at these. Look at this. This is their dimensional. Again, $1, guys. If you're paying more than that, don't be silly. And it's like a ½ inch, a little over a ¼ inch, or maybe 3/8, I think. And then that skinniest one is going to be a quarter. Let me angle it a little bit better. So for $1, hello. And it's still $1 right now. So we want to stock up because I know it's already been announced that it is going to go up. We just don't know when exactly. And here are stickers. I've bought some really cool stickers here. So, and I was here, so I don't see anything right now that gets me crazy excited. Although the butterflies, I can take Ooh, you know what? I'm going to take one of these. Oh, no, this one's prettier. There we go. I'm going to take that to my granddaughter. She will love it. She's my little girl, and she's very crafty, like her mother and her grandmother. And I didn't show, but there is, guys need paint. There's your tempera paint for painting projects. There's a lot of stuff here. So for me, as far as I'm concerned, that's just about does it here in the Dollar Tree. I'll be back a little bit later and I will show you, I'll share the haul with you guys, okay? So I will yak at you later. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.